the best SD card that you can get for an action camera. So like I said, different questions be popping up, like which SD card is the best for an action camera, guys. On this video I'll be showing the difference. So here I have a standard SD card, which is a SanDisk Ultra. Now this is 32 gigs, depend on how much footage you'll be shooting. If you want to get up to 64, 120, I think 120 is a sweet spot. And if you be shooting longer, you might want to go up to 264 or 500. It's up to you. However, if you look carefully, this says this can shoot up to 1080p. So it says HD, but it can shoot maximum up to 1080p. Do not buy a gray. Some people go for the gold one, which is SanDisk Ultra. This is the best one you can go for. The reason why I'm saying this, but look, so it says SanDisk Extreme Pro. The name is not really what matters, but here it says 4K up there. So again, in 2022, like if you've been shooting content with an action camera that can write up to 4K, why not shoot in 4K? Because it gives you high resolution and it is pretty good. So you need an SD card that can write in 4K. So how that explains is this. So on here it says it can write up to 90 megabytes per second, and the speed up to 170. So up to 170 megabytes per second. If you're shooting with an older or cheap SD card, it may write, but it's not going to be fast. And you know what this causes? This causes your footage to be ruined. Sometimes you end up shooting footages and you find out that your files has been corrupt. So once your file is corrupted, there is no way you can get it back. It's gone. If you've been shooting videos and sometimes you find out that your files are corrupted, you need to check if you're using the best SD card for the kind of camera you're having. So like I said, if you're having one of these latest devices that can shoot up to 4K, you want to make sure that whatever SD card you're buying says 4K up there, and it can write up to 90 megabytes per second and also speed of 170 or even more. Actually, I don't know if there is more, but I know this is one of the highest you can find right now. Even if it's got Extreme and there is Extreme Pro, as long as it can write up to 90, you should be good. If you've watched the video up to here, why don't you consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a like to this video. So like I said, the last piece of advice I want to give is do not go out there and buy random branded SD card. Make sure you buy SD card that are known. So SanDisk is one of like the most known SD card. You can buy Sony as well, and you can buy Samsung, but any other brand that you do not know, please stay away from those brands, because sometimes those brands may also have the information carrying here which says 4K, but then 4K, when you shoot 4K, it does not write like 4K, and just making your footages to look shit because it's gonna write slow, and also you can lose footage because it may corrupt your files as well. So do make sure you buy a good SD card. Like I said, 120 gigabytes is actually the sweet spot, but you can choose to go for more space if you want, and you will have a nice video. So guys, hope this video helps. So this is not basically only for DJI action camera, it also goes for GoPro and also for every other random action cameras that you have there. Hope this video helps, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.